Marshall Stockwell III, the next-generation portable speaker with iconic Marshall style. The Marshall Stockwell III represents the next evolution of Marshall's portable Bluetooth speaker lineup, combining the company's legendary rock and roll design philosophy with modern audio technology, extended battery life, improved durability, and smarter connectivity features. Designed for music lovers who want premium sound without being tied to a home setup, the Stockwell III aims to deliver a powerful listening experience anywhere, from bedrooms and offices to outdoor adventures. Marshall has built a strong reputation by creating speakers that are not only audio devices but also lifestyle products. The Stockwell III continues that tradition with its classic amplifier-inspired appearance, PREM-IUM materials, and a focus on long-term usability. Classic Marshall design with premium build quality. The first thing you notice about the Marshall Stockwell III is its unmistakable design. Inspired by Marshall's famous guitar amplifiers, the speaker features a vintage aesthetic with modern refinements. The speaker includes a textured exterior finish metal speaker grille signature Marshall logo, brass-style control knobs, leather-style carrying strap. The design gives the Stockwell III a premium appearance that stands out compared with typical plastic Bluetooth speakers. It looks equally at home on a desk, bookshelf, outdoor table, or travel bag. Available finishes include elegant options such as black and brass and cream, allowing users to choose a style that matches their personal taste and interior design. Marshall has also focused on sustainability by making several parts replaceable, including components like the battery, grill, protective sleeve, and strap. This approach helps improve repairability and extends the product's lifespan instead of encouraging replacement after a few years. 360-degree sound experience. The Marshall Stockwell III is designed to deliver a wide and immersive sound experience. Unlike traditional speakers that mainly project audio in one direction, the Stockwell III focuses on creating a more balanced sound field around the speaker. This makes it especially useful for outdoor gatherings, parties, small rooms, travel situations, background music during activities. The speaker's audio tuning focuses on Marshall's signature sound profile, powerful bass, clear vocals, and detailed mids. Whether you are listening to rock, pop, electronic, acoustic tracks, or podcasts, the Stockwell III aims to deliver a rich and energetic sound. For a portable speaker, the sound output is impressive, providing enough volume for casual entertainment while maintaining clarity at higher levels. Improved bass and audio performance. Marshall is known for creating speakers with strong musical character, and the Stockwell III follows that philosophy. The speaker delivers deep, low-frequency response for bass-heavy music, clear vocal reproduction, balanced instrument separation, punchy performance without excessive distortion. Instead of focusing only on maximum loudness, Marshall has tuned the Stockwell III for enjoyable everyday listening. This makes it suitable for users who care about sound quality rather than simply having the loudest speaker. The speaker performs well across different genres, from classic rock and jazz to modern pop and electronic music. More than 40 hours of battery life. One of the biggest improvements in the Marshall Stockwell III is battery performance. The speaker provides over 40 hours of playback on a single charge, making it one of the strongest options in the premium portable speaker category. This long battery life is useful for weekend trips, camping, outdoor events, long work sessions, travel. The speaker also supports fast charging, helping users quickly restore battery power when needed. A USB-C charging port provides modern connectivity, and the Stockwell III can also function as a power bank, allowing users to charge compatible devices while away from a wall outlet. Built for outdoor adventures, the Stockwell III is designed to handle more than indoor listening. It comes with an IP55 rating, providing protection against dust and water exposure. This means the speaker can handle dusty environments, outdoor activities, light rain, accidental splashes. While it is not designed for full underwater use, the durability makes it a reliable companion for travel and outdoor entertainment. The carrying strap also improves portability, allowing users to easily move the speaker between locations. Modern Bluetooth connectivity. The Stockwell III features updated wireless technology to provide a smoother connection experience with smartphones, tablets, and laptops. It supports Bluetooth connectivity, improved wireless stability. Marshall Bluetooth app integration. Oracast support. Oracast allows compatible devices to share audio broadcasts, making the speaker more future-ready as Bluetooth technology continues to evolve. The Marshall app gives users additional control options, including firmware updates and sound adjustments. Easy physical controls. Many modern speakers rely heavily on touchscreen controls or mobile apps, but Marshall keeps the classic approach with physical controls. The Stockwell III includes traditional Marshall-style knobs that allow users to quickly adjust volume, bass, treble. These controls provide a more direct and enjoyable user experience. Turning the physical knobs feels more like using a classic amplifier rather than a standard wireless speaker. Portable size with premium performance. The Stockwell III balances portability and performance. It is compact enough to carry but powerful enough to fill a room with sound. It is ideal for students, travelers, remote workers, music enthusiasts, outdoor users, unlike larger Marshall speakers designed mainly for home use. The Stockwell III focuses on mobility while maintaining the brand's premium audio identity. Marshall Stockwell III price and availability. The Marshall Stockwell III launched in 2026 as the successor to the Stockwell II, bringing updated technology and design improvements. With pricing positioned around the premium portable speaker category, it competes with other high-end Bluetooth speakers from brands such as Bose, Sonos, and JBL. The higher price reflects its combination of premium materials, long battery life, replaceable components. Signature Marshall design, strong audio performance. Final verdict. Is the Marshall Stockwell III worth buying? The Marshall Stockwell III is one of the most stylish and capable portable speakers in its category. It successfully combines Marshall's legendary amplifier-inspired design with modern features such as extended battery life, durable construction, improved wireless connectivity, and immersive sound. Its biggest strengths are iconic Marshall design, 40-hour battery life, 360-degree sound experience, IP55 durability, replaceable components, premium build quality, physical bass and treble controls. The Stockwell III is not the cheapest portable speaker available, but it is aimed at buyers who want something more than a basic Bluetooth speaker. For users who value music quality, design, durability, and long-term ownership, the Marshall Stockwell III is a strong, premium choice for 2026.